Hi there. My name is Jackie DeLong. I want to start by talking a little bit about the relationship between values and repair. We understand the words remedy and repair as pertaining to fixing something that has not worked or not worked well, and our responsibility to provide ways and means to improve it. In our work, we share how we have used our influence for good in helping ourselves and others to improve how and what we're doing and to live more fully according to our values. Researchers who first understand the importance of uncovering and studying their values and their influence on their own learning and the learning of others can contribute to remedy and repair as outcomes of educational research. It's an issue of self-awareness. Researchers must understand their own values and how these values influence their learning and the learning of others. Accepting responsibility for becoming aware of one's values and articulating them is a key element of living educational theory research. Now, in my own practice, I frequently share my value of loving students into learning and create their own living educational theories. A recent example, using dialogue as research method, I found some support for this claim. Joachim Arnoy was writing a paper and I was helping him. And the paper is called Appreciating My Core Values to More Fully Appreciate Others, My Living Educational Theory as a Peace Education Researcher Practitioner. In it, he wrote about my mentoring. And this is a quote, Jackie said, "I think you need to have more faith in your knowledge and your understanding and your capacity to theorize." Jackie acknowledged that I spoke with far more authority in my writing now, which is a necessary trait of such writing. Later in the conversation, she said, "I think I'm hearing the influence on yourself, but we want to talk about your influence on others." And she called on me to look into my practice where people were going in a direction of supporting and aiding peace education for evidence. As part of researching and presenting, the members of our group invite anyone interested in this kind of work to join us. So I'm inviting you to join our culture of inquiry. The emails are on the last slide. Thank you.